Okay, Axe, can you tell for a little video here what you're making? Tell us what you're making.
A candy fruit salad.
Oh, it's called candy fruit salad? Tell everybody what's in it.
There is some apples,
Okay, I see the apples. Good.
bananas, strawberries and grapes,
Strawberries and grapes.
and a donut
And a donut. And what's the purpose of the donut?
to make it be candy-ish.
Oh, to make it be candyish. Well, very good. So what do you call this?
One Pop-Tart.
Oh, and one Pop-Tart?
Bye, kids. That's all.
That's all? Tell them one more time what the name of your salad is.
I'll tell you when it's done.
You need a hand with that?
Yeah. Let me wash this off.
Candy fruit salad. And Axel did all his own cutting, right, Ax?
Yes, that's right.